Hey guys, welcome to video 2. It's hot in Minnesota, 93 degrees, 81 in the shop. I think I need to get an AC. All right, let's get this the first pin started. All right, guys. Desert camo. Hey, I didn't even know I had one of these. So, I think that kind of fits perfect with the 50 cal flip pin. So, let me drill this out, glue it up. We'll turn it on the lathe. Let's get this started. All right. Alright guys, so this turned out beautiful. I am really happy with the desert camo. I didn't know why I wouldn't be, but I was. But I am. And we've all seen my new favorite toy. And you guys just got a good shot of my arm, I guess. Yeah, should be plenty. So let's go ahead, get this guy together. Nope, way too far. Let's try it now. There we go. Ooh, nice fit. Let's get this. Definitely gonna need more room. There we go. Beautiful. I like that. That looks really, really good. Actually, I want to press that just a little bit tighter. There we go. Yep, there we go. That fixed that. Then we take our little pin. I guess we need that on the end. And a spring. And there we go. Look at that. Goes right it in. Well, there we go. Ta-da! This is awesome. Have that sitting on your desk. Just looks like a 50 cal sitting there. And it is really, you know what they say, the pen is mightier than the sword. Well, here you go. The modern equivalent. The pen is mightier than the sword. There we go. Might have to clean that up a little bit. Sometimes with these, they have to be cleaned up. See, this has been center punched. This was actually shot. So, this is for your friends and buddies and family members that are into guns. So, this is a good gift for them. I really like it. I think they will really like it. Like I said, we'll clean up just a little bit right there. So, here shortly I'll start getting these posted, probably in the next week. Maybe the first week we'll get the first ones made, and then we'll get them out there. So we got at least a couple. So if you guys want to try to buy one of these, we will have it on the website. There we go. Perfect. So, all right, guys. Thanks very much. And I will see you tomorrow. All right. Peace out.